Hey, this is Pete Bernard from Excelsior. I don't have my dog Dreidel here with me today, but I did want to talk about AI PC because Microsoft's made some news recently on the cusp of CES about the AI PC. It turns out that PCs have been running AI workloads for years. You could run AI workloads on nvidia chips in your Surface Book with an Intel processor. The Qualcomm Snapdragons that have been powering PCs have had NPUs in them for a number of years, and there's something called DirectML, which is an API in Windows that enables any application to run AI workloads on the PC. So this new thing called AI PC, what is it? I think ultimately it will be about running workloads in the cloud and on the edge and being able to dynamically allocate workloads between the edge and the cloud. If you look back at what folks like Pavan Davaluri said at the Snapdragon Summit, that'll be a really important architectural change because you'll be able to run workloads locally instead of consuming cloud services for running those AI workloads, especially genai. So in 2024, I think AI PC actually means something a little more straightforward. It's not really about dynamically allocating workloads from the cloud to the edge. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your current PC into an AI PC. Okay, so here you can see I have my Surface Studio, and I'm going to turn this existing PC into an AI PC. So hold on, I'll show you what I'm going to do. It's pretty straightforward. So you need to get a little sticker and put a C on it, and then you just place it on this key like this. Okay, there you go. So now this PC is an AI PC, and when I remap this key, it will launch the Copilot. Perfect.